Hello and welcome to the mp3.Academy YouTube channel. In this episode, we're going to talk about learning how to minimize distractions using mp3.Academy. We live in a world full of constant interruptions, whether it's our phones, social media, or the many demands of daily life, and these distractions can pull us away from what truly matters. I'm excited to guide you through how our platform can help you take control of your time and focus. You'll discover strategies to identify and eliminate distractions, set clear boundaries, and create a productive environment that supports deep, focused work. With practical tools and insights from mp3.Academy, you'll learn how to minimize distractions and maximize your productivity so you can stay on track and achieve your goals. Let's dive in and explore how you can reclaim your focus and get more done with mp3.Academy. Learning how to minimize distractions is essential for anyone looking to improve productivity, focus, and achieve their long-term goals. In today's fast-paced world, we are constantly bombarded by notifications, social media, and various other interruptions that pull us away from our most important tasks. At mp3.Academy, we understand that distractions are one of the biggest obstacles to staying productive, and we are here to help you develop strategies to regain control of your time and attention. By minimizing distractions, you can create an environment where you can focus on what truly matters and make meaningful progress in both your personal and professional life. For our complete list of mp3.Academy audio modules, I invite you to visit our website at mp3.Academy. In the Shop section, you can browse and choose the product that best fits your needs right now. To keep it affordable, each module has a minimum price, but if you'd like to support mp3.Academy, you're welcome to pay a price of your choice. To keep your learning experience engaging, mp3.Academy modules feature two different voices, one feminine and one masculine. You can switch between them to keep the approach fresh and appealing. One of the first steps in minimizing distractions is learning how to identify the distractions that are most common in your day-to-day life. Whether it's checking emails too frequently, getting lost in social media, or interruptions from coworkers, recognizing these distractions is key to overcoming them. At mp3.Academy, we help you develop the self-awareness needed to notice when distractions are creeping in, allowing you to address them proactively. This awareness is the foundation of creating a more focused and productive environment. Once you've identified your primary distractions, the next step is setting boundaries to protect your focus. This might involve silencing notifications on your phone, setting specific times to check your email, or creating a workspace that signals to others when you're in deep focus mode. At mp3.Academy, we emphasize the importance of setting clear boundaries for yourself and others to minimize interruptions. These boundaries not only protect your time, but also send a signal that you are serious about staying productive. Another powerful tool for minimizing distractions is time blocking, a technique that allows you to schedule uninterrupted periods of focused work. By allocating specific time blocks for high-priority tasks, you can ensure that you are dedicating your full attention to the most important activities. At mp3.Academy, we encourage the use of time blocking to create a structured day that leaves little room for distractions. During these time blocks, it's important to remove any potential distractions, such as turning off your phone or using apps that block social media access. In addition to time blocking, developing the habit of single tasking is crucial for minimizing distractions. Multitasking often leads to fragmented attention and reduced productivity, as your brain is forced to switch between tasks. At mp3.Academy, we teach you how to focus on one task at a time, completing it before moving on to the next. Single tasking helps you stay fully engaged in each activity, which not only improves the quality of your work, but also allows you to complete tasks more efficiently. Mindfulness practices can also play a significant role in minimizing distractions. By practicing mindfulness, you train your brain to stay present and focused, reducing the likelihood of getting pulled into distractions. At mp3.Academy, we offer techniques such as mindful breathing and meditation to help you stay centered and aware of when your attention begins to drift. Regular mindfulness practice strengthens your ability to stay focused, even in environments that are full of potential distractions. Another important aspect of minimizing distractions is organizing your workspace. A cluttered workspace can lead to mental clutter, making it harder to concentrate on your tasks. At mp3.Academy, we recommend creating a clean and organized environment that supports productivity. This might involve clearing your desk of unnecessary items, organizing your digital files, or creating a system for managing your to-do lists. A well-organized workspace makes it easier to stay on track and reduces the likelihood of getting sidetracked by clutter. It's also essential to schedule regular breaks throughout your day to prevent burnout and maintain focus. Working for long periods without breaks can lead to mental fatigue, which increases the chances of succumbing to distractions. At mp3.Academy, we suggest using techniques such as the Pomodoro method, which involves working for 25 minutes followed by a 5-minute break. These short breaks help refresh your mind and keep your energy levels high, allowing you to return to your tasks with renewed focus. Accountability is another key factor in minimizing distractions. Having someone who can check in on your progress or hold you accountable for staying on task can be highly effective. At mp3.Academy, we encourage the use of accountability partners or groups to help you stay focused on your goals. By sharing your progress with others, you're less likely to get distracted and more likely to stay committed to your tasks. Finally, self-discipline is the cornerstone of minimizing distractions. While tools and strategies can help, it ultimately comes down to your personal commitment to staying focused. At mp3.Academy, we help you build the self-discipline needed to stay on track, even when distractions are tempting. By cultivating discipline, you'll develop the resilience to push through distractions and maintain consistent progress toward your goals. In conclusion, learning how to minimize distractions is crucial for improving your productivity and achieving success. At mp3.Academy, we provide you with the tools and techniques to identify distractions, set boundaries, implement time blocking, practice mindfulness, and build self-discipline. By applying these strategies, you'll create an environment where you can focus on what truly matters and make steady progress toward your goals. Minimizing distractions is not just about eliminating interruptions, it's about taking control of your time and energy to live a more productive and fulfilling life.